how Polestar is changing the EV world. Let's be honest here. We know the everlasting Volvo cars and the impact they have on the world. Dubbed the safest cars in the world, it's only obvious that Volvo has made a solid impact in the car world. Now imagine if the car company was to enter a new domain, the EV world. Here are the major reasons why Polestar is changing in the EV world. Let's talk on. The Smart EV Company. Polestar's pioneering mission is centered around achieving a sustainable future in the automotive industry. While many automakers are focused solely on electrification, Polestar recognizes that a comprehensive approach is necessary to address the environmental challenges associated with the auto industry. By setting a goal to develop a completely climate-neutral EV by 2030, Polestar is pushing the boundaries of what is expected from an automaker. This mission goes beyond just producing electric vehicles. It encompasses all aspects of the car's life cycle, including the supply chain, manufacturing processes, and even end-of-life considerations. By taking on this ambitious mission, Polestar is positioning itself as a leader in the transition to sustainable and low-carbon transportation future. Polestar's commitment to sustainability is demonstrated by its achievement in reducing relative emissions on a per-vehicle basis. The numbers show growth. Despite experiencing significant growth in the vehicle sales, Polestar has managed to reduce emissions by 13%. This accomplishment is noteworthy as it showcases Polestar's focus on improving resource efficiency and implementing measures to cut emissions throughout the entire life cycle of its vehicles. By continuously optimizing its operations and processes, Polestar is proving that it is possible to increase production while simultaneously reducing the environmental impact. Polestar's holistic approach to decarbonization sets it apart from many other automakers. While electrification is a crucial component of reducing greenhouse gas emissions, Polestar recognizes that it is not the sole solution. The company is actively working on various fronts to address emissions throughout the supply chain and production process. Before we go on to the next reason, I want to tell you something. YouTube tells us that only 0.2% of you are actually subscribed to EV World. Guys, that breaks my heart. Why don't you go ahead and make this video the one that you subscribe to us? We promise that you will get amazing EV content every single week. Ecosystem beyond the vehicles, all-inclusive. While the majority of car companies make their cars the best product, Polestar thinks of everything. Some key actions taken by Polestar include improving resource efficiency and circularity, utilizing materials that have been potential for a fully decarbonized supply chain, and reducing GHG emissions across all phases of the vehicle's life cycle, from material production to battery modules, manufacturing, and charging. Furthermore, Polestar is committed to using renewable energy sources, such as powering its manufacturing facilities with 100% clean energy. By adopting this holistic approach to decarbonization, the company claims to create a sustainable EV ecosystem that goes beyond just the vehicles themselves. Comprehensive approach, the future of cars. Polestar recognizes that addressing the challenges of climate change and driving EV adoption requires collaboration and collective action. The company actively seeks partnerships with organizations and stakeholders across different sectors to reduce emissions, limit the effects of climate change, and promote the adoption of electric vehicles. By aligning with partners, Polestar aims to collectively decarbonize the supply chain and make a substantial impact in achieving sustainability goals. These partnerships may involve sharing knowledge, resources, and best practices, ultimately fostering innovation and driving positive change in the industry as a whole. The company is actively engaged in supporting climate change initiatives and advocating for a more sustainable future. The company, together with fellow EV startup Rivian, backed the Pathway Report, which highlights the urgency of collaborative efforts within the auto industry to meet climate change targets. To know more about Rivian, click on the I button right now. The initiatives and technology, cars for tomorrow. Polestar recognizes that the industry is at risk of overshooting climate goals set by organizations like the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change. By supporting initiatives like the Pathway Report, Polestar aims to encourage the entire automotive industry to work together in order to align with climate targets, reduce emissions, and accelerate the transition to sustainable transportation. In order to stay at the forefront of rapidly evolving EV market, Polestar embraces new technologies and innovation. The company understands the importance of keeping pace with advancements in areas such as battery cell technology, which is crucial for improving the range, efficiency, and overall performance of electric vehicles. By actively exploring and adopting new technologies, Polestar aims to enhance the driving experience, increase the attractiveness of electric vehicles, and address any technological barriers that may exist. This forward-thinking approach positions Polestar as a leader in technological innovation within the EV industry, driving the development and adoption of cutting-edge solutions. Polestar's geographical expansion is a key element of its growth strategy and its efforts to increase electric vehicle adoption worldwide. The future beyond importing, new markets. The company made a strategic decision to shift its manufacturing focus from China to the United States, with plans to start producing vehicles in South Carolina by 2024. This expansion allows Polestar to cater to the demands in different regions and reduce its carbon footprint by manufacturing closer to its target markets. By establishing production facilities in multiple locations, Polestar can enhance its global presence, increase accessibility to its vehicles, and meet the needs of customers around the world. The geographical expansion enables Polestar to tap into new markets, contribute to local economies, and further accelerate the transition to sustainable transportation on a global scale. The heritage, the best of all worlds. Polestar has successfully positioned itself as a unique brand in the EV world, distinguishing itself from traditional automakers and carving out a niche for its offerings. With a clean sheet and the support of its parent company, Zexing Geely Holding Group, as well as the reputation of its parent company, Volvo, Polestar enjoys a unique advantage in brand positioning. By leveraging this advantage, Polestar has been able to break away from industry conventions and embrace a distinct identity focused on the desirability, comfort, practicality, and powerful all-electric and hybrid cars. This positioning sets Polestar apart from competitors and resonates with consumers who are looking for innovative, sustainable, and technologically advanced vehicles. By daring to be different and positioning itself as a guiding star in the EV space, Polestar is attracting a new generation of customers who value clean, stylish, and forward-thinking mobility solutions. The ideology. Customer is the boss. Polestar's customer-centric approach is at the core of its business strategy. The company recognizes the importance of understanding and meeting the needs of its customers in order to drive the adoption of electric vehicles. Polestar takes a holistic view of the customer journey, from the initial exploration and configuration of a vehicle to the purchase process and beyond. By offering an online platform for car configuration and purchase, as well as dedicated Polestar spaces for customer interaction, the company aims to provide a seamless and personalized experience. This customer-centric approach extends to after-sales services as well, with the development of a dedicated Polestar app that allows customers to easily schedule servicing and maintenance. By placing the customer at the center of its operations, Polestar aims to create a positive ownership experience and build long-lasting relationships with its customers. Polestar combines exquisite design with cutting-edge technology, creating vehicles that are not only environmentally friendly, but also visually appealing and technologically advanced. The company's commitment to stunning exterior design is evident in its lineup of cars. The sleek and contemporary designs of Polestar vehicles showcase the brand's focus on aesthetics, craftsmanship, and attention to detail. Additionally, Polestar collaborates with technology giant Google to develop an innovative infotainment system. Now that is a catch, don't you think? The roots: safety and trust. Polestar places a strong emphasis on safety and trustworthiness, a property gained from Volvo. The company incorporates advanced safety features into its electric vehicles, adheres to rigorous safety standards, and implements comprehensive quality control measures. Moreover, with the Android operating system, Google Assistant, and natural voice recognition, Polestar creates an intuitive and connected driving experience. The use of real-time information, over-the-air updates, and access to the Google Play Store further ensure that Polestar vehicles remain up-to-date with the latest innovations. This combination of exquisite design and cutting-edge technology positions Polestar as a leader in the industry, appealing to customers who seek both style and state-of-the-art features in their electric vehicles. By placing the customer at the center of its operations, Polestar aims to meet their needs and expectations, making the transition to electric vehicles seamless and enjoyable. Through its innovative designs and integration of advanced technologies, the company simply sets itself apart, appealing to customers who value both style and the latest advancements in mobility. Polestar, the company beyond time. Polestar is at the forefront of the electric vehicle revolution, demonstrating a strong commitment to sustainability, innovative partnerships, and technological advancements. As the automotive industry continues to evolve, Polestar's impact on the EV world is poised to be transformative, inspiring other manufacturers and consumers to embrace electric mobility. But now, we'd like to know from you, what excites you the most about Polestar's innovative approach to electric vehicles? Share your thoughts on the comments below. To know about the future of Ford and Rivian, click on the video on your screen. Thanks for watching.